My name's Kelly. This grass collage was created by using lots of different types of scrap: cloth, felt, tassels and knitting. The bees I made also had buttons and beads as eyes.
Hello, my name is Esme. I used chalks and lots of thick gooey paint to colour in my cat and gave it a huge smile to make it look naughty.
Hi, my name is Shane and I made an unofficial fan club poster for my favourite football team. I cut out photographs of the players and stuck them onto the page. I coloured the rest of the poster in using the team's colours, blue with black and white stripes.
Yes, great art attacks. And what about that unofficial fan club? Well, in fact, you can invent your own club or gang. All you need is your own do-it-yourself club membership card. Try this. Cut a small rectangle of thick paper or thin card, any colour you like, and just round off the corners with some scissors very carefully, and then just cut a small photograph of yourself to fit in the top right-hand corner. Then take a thin black felt tip pen and just go around the four corners of your photograph. Now, a photo booth photo is a perfect size for this, or you can trim up an old photograph of yourself. But just draw around the four corners like that. Move the photograph out of the way, then take a pencil and ruler and just very carefully draw 4 lines down the left-hand side, spaced equally apart. Now, this will just be a guide, so I'll just do them in pencil to start with, and you can do 1 line at the bottom there that's slightly longer for your signature later. And then on the left-hand side of each line, write things like your name, well, not your name, but name, you know, things that you get on club cards, and date of birth and signed and things like that. Do it as neatly as you can, because this will be a guide. And when you've done each line, just take your black felt tip pen again and go over the lines, but this time, see what I'm doing here? I'm leaving gaps in my writing so that when I rub out these pencil lines, you'll see the gaps and then make it look as if it's been printed and it's all official. And when you've done that, do some dots on the line just to create a dotted line. Do all 4 lines in exactly the same way, and when the ink is dry, rub out the pencil guides and you'll have something that looks like that. I've done name, DOB, date of birth, member and signed. And then it's just a case of filling it in like you would any club card. So name, that's me. And this time I'm using a different colour pen, just a ballpoint pen. And date of birth, October the 11th. Hint, hint. Member, Art Attack Club. And signed by, well, me, I suppose. You could sign the bottom there, like that. And then just a dab of glue in there and stick your picture back on to identify yourself. And then to make it really official, you need to have it stamped. And the best way to do that is to just cut out a little circle of bread about the size of a coin, dip it into some red paint, ordinary poster paint, dab off the excess paint, get rid of all that excess, and then watch this. You just print it onto the bottom of your card like that. And now it's officially stamped. And to make it look really professional, when that paint is dry, you can back it on the front and back with sticky back plastic. Look at that, just to protect it. And you know, you can make you and your friends members of just about any club that you want to invent. Here's some of mine. How about this one? Look at that, there I am. I'm a member of the Friends of the Earthworm, a sort of animal friends club. And what about this one? There I am again. And this one is the Secret Gang. Oh yeah, I'm not going to tell you about that one. And what about this one? This is Football Supporters Club, my favourite footy team. Try it yourself, your own do-it-yourself club membership card. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!